as fresh as a daisy and not a bit crazy. Thing that weighs hard roll for a hoeing, as rough as a briar, like walking through fire. This world is dark and this world is scary. I've taken some hits, so no wonder I'm wary. That's why I need you. You're as pure as the driven snow. Everyone wants to be like a hero. With the cream or the doer or dreamer, doing's hard work. It takes time to shame things, like goat's milk to butter, like ice blocks to water. This world goes blind when children are dying. I turn into this, but you never stop trying. That's why I love you. You're as pure as the driven snow. Cold and clean, swirling over my skin. You clog me. You saw riding down on my heart. Everyone thinks they know all about me. They slap me with labels, they spit out the fables. You came along, you knew it was lying. Saw the ideal me, and yes, that's the real me. This world is cruel with troubles aplenty. You asking for reasons, I've got 3 and 20 for why I trust you. You're as pure as the driven snow. Trust you, you're as pure